Honoring the who's who of Bollywood's fraternity for their stylish moments and exemplary performances on screen, HT Most Stylish Awards 2017 witnessed a starry turnout. Stars descended and sashayed on the red carpet of the 6th edition of the HT Most Stylish Awards 2017, held at the Taj Lands Inn in Bandra. Bestowing honors on the actors and actresses who created some of the iconic style moments in 2016 and belting out some stellar performances on screen, this year's extravaganza witnessed some iconic red carpet moments like Deepika Padukone and Rani Mukherjee sharing a joke, Anushka Sharma and Rani Mukherjee catching up, Alia Bhatt and Siddharth Malhotra sharing a table along with a friendly banter between Parineeti Chopra, Varun Dhawan and John Abraham, candid moments like Amitabh Bachchan and Deepika Padukone greeting each other, Karan Johar and Siddharth Malhotra having a mentor-protege moment, and Alia Bhatt and Deepika Padukone engaging in some serious chat. Kajol and Ajay Devgan were present too, but it seems Karan Johar and Kajol were kept miles apart and in no way acknowledged each other.
Well, I'm just very thankful to HT for giving me this award, and I'm just very happy that it's a simple night out.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ and I'm very excited that the film is clocked 100 crores at the box office. Really excited for Shashank, for Varun, for Alia, the entire team of Badrinath. We're very proud of the film. It's been loved, it's been watched, and it continues to be watched. हम बहुत गर्व के साथ कह सकते हैं कि हम बद्री की दुल्हनिया के producers हैं.
खुश हूँ मैं, delighted हूँ. Response has been very very good, has been very positive, and audience response has been fantastic. So खुशी हो रही है and और क्या बोलूँ बस मज़ा आ रहा है.
Feels amazing. I think we all know that this is a style award, and I think it goes to everyone that sort of works behind the scenes, whether it's the stylist, whether it's your hair and makeup, whether it's our directors who present us in the way that we look on screen. So I think it's a combination of of all of that, and of course a combination of each one of our personalities. I think all of us have a specific style, and I think our teams sort of try and bring out the best.
Pretty excited. I think today all of us are representing our stylists who make us feel fashionable, and style is something that I think you cannot buy, or it's something you have inherently. हर किसी का अपना style होता है. So hopefully I'm carrying myself and being fashionable at the same time.
It feels very good. I feel very privileged and happy and excited और stylish बनने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
I think फिल्म का जो सारा श्रेय है वो definitely शशांक को जाना चाहता है. I think the director deserves the credit. इनकी story है, he's written dialogue, so he definitely deserves it.
It feels good. बट हमें बहुत खुशी है कि हमारी फिल्म को प्यार मिल रहा है और अभी तक मिलते जा रहा है. आई थिंक वी आर मोर हैप्पी अबाउट दैट वर्सेस नंबर्स.
बहुत एक्साइटिंग इवनिंग है. मैं कभी नहीं जानती थी कि मैं किसी स्टाइल अवार्ड्स पे अपना कोई भी मार्क छोड़ूंगी, बट आई हैव रियली वर्कड हार्ड विद माय स्टाइलिस्ट संजना बत्रा, हु इज़ रियली हेल्प मी फाइंड माय स्टाइल, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट आई एम विनिंग टुडे, क्योंकि स्टाइल इज समथिंग दैट डिडंट कम नेचुरली टू मी, लेकिन अब मुझे लगता है आई एम गेटिंग बेटर एट इट.
Happiness and fun and glamour and glitz and style. I don't know. Let's see.
Words are only enough to say thank you very much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने हम दोनों को इस अवार्ड के लायक सोचा. थैंक यू वो इसलिए क्योंकि इस उम्र में आके हमको एज अ what timeless couple award मिल रहा है, बहुत खुशी की बात है. So thank you Hindustan Times, thank you viewers, and thank you everybody.
Well, I hope it's going to be exciting. I'm sure there'll be a lot of cool people around, very well dressed, looking their best and winning some fun awards.
Style awards definitely It's about style tonight. So I would like to give credit to everybody, all the stylists जिन्होंने मुझे style किया है.
For me, style is, I think, whatever you feel comfortable in, whatever you feel, that's you. You don't try to follow anyone. Just be yourself. I think that's your real style.
Style is all about comfort. आप स्टाइलिश अपने काम से हो सकते हैं, अपने भाषण से हो सकते हैं. आपका अपीयरेंस और आपका दिल अच्छा होना स्टाइल ही होती है.
They have selected me. There must be something about me जिसके लिए वो मुझे अवार्ड दे रहे हैं. और हाँ, हमारे ज़माने में जो हम कपड़े पहनते थे वो स्टाइलाइज्ड होते थे और we used to have dress designers designing our clothes.
I think style is something that's very, very personal, and I just think everyone kind of needs to find their own space, and once you do that, once you know what's the best for you and what you're most comfortable in, I think you automatically start owning your own style, and that is something that happened with me as well. Over the years, I kind of learned, what's best for me and what I like the most and what suits me the most. Sometimes it's not even something that I like, but it just suits me the most, and that's why I'm able to carry it really well. I think that's what style is all about. It's your persona.
I'm expecting a lot of style and a lot of good fun.
I think style is very unique. It's very subjective. It totally depends on who you are and what you feel like wearing on the day. I don't think there are any set rules and any do's and don'ts.
I'm very excited because you get to see so many beautiful people dressed so well, and it's obviously a very exciting event.
I think style is a personal fashion that changes with time. I think that's what it is.
While these moments warmed our hearts, the winners of this stylish soiree turned up in their sartorial best and made heads turn.